Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting project lined up for you. We'll be using SolidWorks and an Ender 3 3D printer to create an aftermarket part for the Yamaha Wave Blaster. Before we begin, I want to make a special shout out to my boy Jacob. You're a real one man. With that, let's dive right in. The first step in creating an aftermarket part is identifying the existing component we want to model. In our case, we found a purchasable part that we want to recreate. We'll gather detailed references, measurements, and specifications to ensure an accurate representation. Now that we have our references, let's move on to modeling the part using SolidWorks. We'll start by creating a new project and setting up our workspace. Then, we'll use various tools and features within SolidWorks to design the aftermarket part. We'll pay close attention to measurements and the overall fit with the Wave Blaster. Designing the part is just the first step. We need to ensure it fits perfectly and functions as intended. In this segment, we'll go through several iterations, making necessary adjustments and modifications to the design. This process ensures the final product meets our expectations. With our design finalized, it's time to prepare it for 3D printing. We'll go through the necessary steps, such as converting the file to the appropriate format, setting up support structures if required, and optimizing the print settings for our Ender 3 3D printer. Here comes the exciting part, 3D printing our creation. We'll load the design file onto the Ender 3 and set up the printer accordingly. We'll discuss important considerations such as bed leveling, filament selection, and slicing software settings. Then, we'll start the print and eagerly watch as our part takes shape layer by layer. Once the print is complete, we'll carefully remove the part from the build plate. Depending on the desired finish, we might need to sand, polish, or paint the part. Before we wrap up, I wanted to share a special tip with you. If you're interested in getting your hands on the Ender 3 printer, be sure to check out Micro Center. They offer the Ender 3 for an incredible price of just $99. And there you have it, folks! We successfully designed and 3D printed an aftermarket part for the Yamaha Wave Blaster, thanks to SolidWorks, my main man Jacob, and our trusty Ender 3 3D printer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our future projects. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.